Hello, everybody. It is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. Guess what? It is the last pocket letter of 30 weeks of a pocket letter. So, I'm here to share the last one. I was going to do a Happy New Year one, and then I decided, no, I'm going to do a winter theme one with snowmans. I love snowmans. After Christmas, I bring out my snowmans, right? So, I figured I'd do that with the pocket letter. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I am pre-recording these back in November, so I hope your Christmas season is going good, because it is the 29th of December when you will be watching this. Am I right? Double check. Yes. So it'll be a few days after Christmas. So I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. All right, let's me describe my pocket letter. So I found these cute little snowman images off Etsy, and I purchased them. And it's just a simple little layout with some snowflake paper and different images with a snowman. And I added these buttons and these little snowflake gems I got, I think, at the Dollar Tree. And I added some of my white eyelash trim. That's all this is, guys. And some washi tape going down the side. So I'm just going to go through real slowly and show you each one. They're pretty much decorated the same, just a different image. And then maybe the snowflake somewhere else. So here we go. Love these. And they're like vintage looking snowman images too. So I like that little boy. And we got him with the little puppy dogs. Then put in like some garland around him on that one. Then on top of the snowman. And we got this one. So I'll go real slow again. The old house in the background. He's this snowman. Look at his face. He's got a mustache. So cute. I love these old looking, vintage looking images. So, of course, you all know if you've been watching the last 30 weeks, I do the backside too. Same thing, just different paper. I used blue gems and blue snowflakes only on this one. And I had the picture straight up, and I put white eyelash trim on the top as well as the bottom. And some more images. I did have to repeat one image on each one because I didn't have enough images to cover all 9 pockets. So, I just want one that was on the front side that I didn't use on the back side, and I kind of did that, you know what I mean? So here we go. Did that. So cool. Just real subtle. See, like this one's on the front as well. So there we go. That is my 30th pocket letter. Actually, it's 31 because I did 2 last week. But I want to thank each and every one of you that have been watching these off and on for the last 30 weeks. And then I'm going to do a video from start to finish of all 31 pocket letters. So that's going to be a long video. Maybe I'll do that live. I don't know. Who knows? But I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you later. Because I don't know what me and Sabrina are going to come up with to prepare our weeks from now on. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye! And thank you for watching.